Inspect the flywheel machine surface for scratches, rust formation, scoring marks, glazing and dent. Broken ring gear tip, center bush or bearing. Inspect the bush or bearing for crack, out of roundness, scratches. Inspect the clutch plate disc for rust formation, dent and bend. Torsion spring, caution spring. Inspect the spring for broken coil, loose fitting in the grooves of the disc. Rivets. Inspect the rivet for rust formation, broken or loose. Clutch hub. Inspect the clutch hub for dent, broken splines. Friction lining or clutch facing. Inspect the clutch facing for crack, burnt, worn out, scratches, loose rivets. Pressure plate surface. Inspect the pressure plate for dent, scratches, rust formation, scoring marks, grazing, crack. Straps. Inspect the straps for rust formation, crack, loose rivet. Fulcrum ring. Inspect the fulcrum ring for broken rust formation. Locating stud. Inspect the stud for bend, dent and rust formation. Diaphragm spring. Inspect the diaphragm spring, dent, crack, bend, trigger, broken trigger, loose rivets. Clutch cover. Inspect the clutch cover for dent, bend, crack, scratches, rust formation and enlarged mounting hole. Inspect the release bearing for dent, rust formation, rotate and check for noise. Operating fork and lever. Inspect the fork and lever for bend, dent, rust formation. Clutch shaft. Inspect the clutch shaft for bend, dent, rust formation and for broken splines. For checking the radial plate, hold the primary shaft in the bench vise. Slide the clutch plate hub on the shaft and by playing the dial gauge pointer touching the clutch plate hub, move the clutch plate in and out. Play should not more than 1 mm. For checking the runout of the clutch plate, place the clutch plate horizontally on the revolving spline shaft or primary shaft. Set gauge at 0 and turn the plate slowly. The flat rounded should not exceed 0.4 mm. For checking the lateral runout of the clutch plate, pick the clutch plate between the two centers of the lathe machine. By placing the dial gauge pointer touching the lining set, the gauge at 0, now revolve the plate slowly and note reading. The lateral runout should not exceed 0.7 mm. If it is more, the clutch plate is disordered. Using vernier caliper, measure the thickness of the clutch plate and compare it with new one. Testing the pressure plate for flatness. To carry out the test, mark 4 points on the surface of the pressure plate at 4 different corners. Place the pressure plate clutch cover side on the flat surface or on the surface plate. Using a straight ruler and keeping the rulers pressed, insert a filler gauge between the ruler and pressure plate surface. Carry out the procedure for all the 4 marked points. The filler gauge insert at all the 4 corners should be of same thickness. Checking the play between release bearing and clutch shaft. For checking the play, slide the release bearing on the clutch shaft and move in and out. The play should not be excessive.